Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is August 14th, 2026. This channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia. Bitcoin is trading near $63,400, Ethereum near $1,885, and Solana around $76, with the market still in a tight consolidation range. Let us walk through today's three stories together. Coming up, US SEC abruptly cancels regulation crypto meeting. Story 1. The US SEC has abruptly canceled its Friday meeting on regulation crypto. The agency was set to vote today on its first formal crypto rulemaking. But late Thursday, it cited an unforeseen scheduling issue and postponed the meeting with no new date. The proposal would have opened public comment on a tailored fundraising regime, including a startup lane near $5 million. And a broader lane up to $75 million per year. For Southeast Asia builders and exchanges watching US rules for a template, the next real milestone shifts to the Clarity Act procedural vote scheduled for September 15th. My take is simple. This is a timing setback, not a policy reversal. But every extra week of uncertainty keeps US issuers cautious and pushes more token launches towards Singapore, Vietnam, and Dubai. Next, Bitcoin miners sold 28,000 BTC worth $1.78 billion this year. Story 2. Publicly listed Bitcoin miners have sold about 28,000 Bitcoin this year, worth roughly $1.78 billion at current prices. Data from Blockware Intelligence shows their combined reserves fell from 127,000 BTC at the start of the year to about 99,000 today, a drop of around 22%. Names driving the selling include MARA Holdings, CleanSpark, Riot Platforms, and Core Scientific. With production costs rising and many miners rotating capacity toward AI hosting contracts, this is forced supply that spot ETF inflows have to absorb. It helps explain why Bitcoin remains stuck below $65,000 even with steady institutional demand. For Southeast Asia traders, structural miner selling is a real overhang that caps upside until it slows. Watch weekly miner reserve prints. If holdings stabilize near 90,000 BTC, that would be a bullish signal. If they keep falling, expect the current range to hold. Finally, Shinhan AM signs Korean Won tokenized fund partnership. Story 3. Shinhan Asset Management, one of South Korea's largest asset managers, signed a proof-of-concept partnership with Plume Network for a Korean Won-denominated tokenized fund. The Memorandum of Understanding, announced today, targets real-world asset tokenization on a blockchain designed for regulated financial products. Separately, KPMG completed Tether's first formal financial audit with a clean opinion on the 2025 statements. And Fidelity filed to add staking to its Ethereum ETF, so institutional rails keep strengthening. For Southeast Asia, the Shinhan pilot is the most interesting signal because it shows regulated Asian capital moving into on-chain funds using a local currency, not just US dollar stablecoins. If a Won tokenized fund passes Korean compliance, similar peso, rupiah, and dong products become much easier to argue for regulators. In the Philippines, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Watch this space for OFW remittance and treasury use cases. Today's three stories. 1. SEC Reg crypto meeting canceled. 2. Miners sold 28,000 BTC worth $1.78 billion this year. 3. Shinhan AM signs Won tokenized fund POC with Plume. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.